Okay, there's the old vanity we took out. It's just sitting out here. We're going to take it over to Resource York, over here on 9th Avenue in York, and turn it in for a tax-deductible donation and kind of go from there. There's the truck, and there's my plumber, Jay Henry, with Master Plumber HVAC. And we'll go back in here. And we're working kind of in the garage. Got the miter saw set up, plugged in to the ceiling up here, and we'll tie these together and see what we can do. Okay, this is Arnie with Arnie's Home Improvements again, and just wanting to show you the bathroom little redo we did today. We replaced a 36-inch vanity and took that out and put a 54-inch vanity in. As you can see, everything's pretty finished up. Don't have a whole lot of room to show this, but there's an onyx top from Lowe's, 54-inch vanity from Lowe's, oak, centered the mirror, and new light fixture in the space here at the wall. And there's only 4 light bulbs from the old one, so I need 2 more. But that's what we did today. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.